How you going, YouTubers? Today gone out and purchased one of these above your spare tyre water tanks, I believe. Little kit, comes with everything you need, brackets, fittings, whatnot. Gives you a little to-do list, what you need. I've got the tools that it recommends. Yeah, so we'll give this one a crack and see how we go. Okay, so spare tyres removed. I'm just going to focus good enough for this. Tow bar bolts are removed. Exhaust shield is all gone. Basically sits in here. Your spare tyre sits up along here. See the chain hanging down. Do a little dummy fit. See if I can get it in. She sits in there nice and snug. You got that cut out so you can still get your spare wheel out up the top there, which is good. Yeah, I'll put those two brackets on. One will go here, one will go the other side. That'll hold it up. Should be mounted then, and yeah, so we'll put that up now. Alright, we've got it all in there now. That's pretty much it. It's just all done loosely at the moment. Sorry about the camera angles. Basically up here you've got a little lip that it needs to sit up on along there for anyone that's going to do it themselves. Brackets are pretty straightforward. Your exhaust mount there is pretty good, so you can still hook up your standard exhaust if you guys have got one. I haven't got one. I've got a 3-inch one that dumps there for the diff. I don't know if you can see it. Just here somewhere. There it is. Yeah. That's pretty much it there. She's all nice and snug. I'll tighten it all up. Then I'll plumb it up. Haven't got a water pump for this one at the moment, but I will hook that up at a later date. At this stage I'll just have it all gravity fed for now. But yeah, she looks pretty neat in there. I'll button it all down and plumb it all up, and then yeah. Okay, just so everyone knows, this is a Ford Ranger that I've put this tank on. Didn't state that at the start of the vid, but still learning as we go. This is the tank all plumbed up. I know it's dark time, but I started this a bit late, this job. But she looks good. Just got to trim this hose up. It sticks out quite a bit, but I'll shorten all that up. Nice little tap. Got the hose piece there, you just connect your hose to it, fill it up. Happy days. Yeah, she looks good, guys. Definitely, for anyone that's got one of these dual cabs, definitely recommend one. Good if you take the dogs out for a walk. They got plenty of water. Wash your hands, whatnot. Yeah, definitely happy with this product. For 200 bucks, you can't really go wrong. Yeah, some people probably get them cheaper and they're on special and whatnot, but you know, I paid 200 bucks for it. I'm pretty happy with it. Yeah, taking up some unwanted space, unused space, should I say. So yeah, she looks good. Definitely recommended, guys. Get around it. Thanks for watching. Give us a like if this has helped you out at all. Yeah, it'd be good to hear any comments too. Cheers, guys.